As I've gotten older, I'm really starting to get interested in learning more about trust and learning more about estate planning in general. So this book was actually sent to me for review and I was really glad to get my hands on it. So this is Living Trust for Beginners. And again, definitely an easy read. So if it's a new topic for you, this will definitely walk you through, the process of what exactly are these buzzwords? What is estate planning? What does that look like? What might that look like for you? But also understanding how the best way to save on taxes, how to avoid probate. When you're transferring your assets to like the next generation, you want to make sure that it's a seamless process, that they're not going to be held up with legal fees or anything else that's really going to bog down the process. You want to make it easy. So this helps you out with that. It is a very easy read. It's only about 145 pages, and it does have a really, really good table of contents. So if there is a specific section that you're interested in, you can advance to that area. But again, I thought it was a very easy read. It's important to get the fundamentals, but lots of really good information in here. So you have ensuring a seamless inheritance. So again, you want to make sure that you're avoiding that probate, saving on taxes, but it also gives you case studies. So just say that you're going through this process and you're running into some challenges. It gives you some recommendations on solutions, and then customizing, maintaining your living trust. So definitely a great book, and it is designed for beginners. So again, if you're coming into it not knowing a whole lot, this is a great start. So definitely recommend.